Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 6x plus 9. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to find the solution to this equation. Make sure to grab a pen and paper as we work through this problem together. Let's get started. Step 1. The given quadratic expression is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Notice that we can rewrite this expression as x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. We do this because when we expand x plus 3 raised to the power of 2, we get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Therefore, we can alter the given expression to x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. This form is useful as it is now easier to identify as a perfect square trinomial. Step 2. Now that we have rewritten the given quadratic expression as x plus 3 raised to the power of 2, we recognize that we are dealing with a perfect square trinomial. This simplifies our problem significantly. By altering the expression into its factored form x plus 3 raised to the power of 2, we can clearly see that the simplified form is consistent with our initial quadratic form. Therefore, x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equivalent to x plus 3 raised to the power of 2, which is its most simplified form. This is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.